Elizabeth Danker is from Vietnam. She's been in America for 36 years and says she understands the importance of the U.S. Census.
I like it because we have to help the government officials to work well so they can help us.
The census is critical in making decisions about the way monies are spent and the way resources are distributed.
Ultimately, it's extremely important for all communities, especially minority communities, to participate in the census, because if they're counted, it means more likely that they're going to get the kind of needed services that they really need.
Rockville is home to a growing Asian American population, which means it is essential that for this year's census, they count.
We've tried to deal with that by going to the churches and the associations and the different groups that focus on the interests of the particular ethnic group.
Work is already underway to break down the barriers that might prevent an accurate count.
Maybe the better way is just to say they do speak a different language, but they're still Americans. So what we're going to do is have those kinds of materials available to them in that language.
Danker says she was eager to be counted before, and this year is no different.
Oh, sure. I'm ready.
Ready or not, Rockville citizens and millions of others will receive their census questionnaires starting next week. In Rockville, I'm Yanae Gibbons for CNS TV.